Hi guys! What was that? He said, hi guys! See, this time I can't do it. I can do it. Watch, do it. Ready?
Hi guys.
Do I do it?
Hi guys.
No, I'm not doing it. Okay. What's up, guys? We are back with another YouTube video. Alright, so today, guys, we are going to do slime. Yeah. We always make slime. We know. What is she doing? She's like my hype.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, she gave it away. This is what we're doing different with our slime. Google's gonna what? Is Google gonna pick everything for us?
Yeah.
Alright, so Google is going to pick which slime we use. Either we're gonna use the white slime or we're gonna use the clear slime. She's also gonna pick what color glitter we're gonna spice our slime up with.
This color.
I know, I hope I get this color.
I'm gonna get this
I know, oh
color.
my god, I want this color. And she's also going to tell us what two colors we get to mix. So it either be these two, or these two. You want the same middle ones too, right? And she's also gonna pick one of these cool beads or ABCs or something just jazzy and cool to put in our slime. And, oh wait, the last one that we want. Either foam or lotion.
I really don't want this. It's gonna hurt my slime.
It's gonna hurt when you like playing with slime. I wish I would get this.
No, I need to get this.
Oh my god, Google. Okay, Google. Are you ready to play?
What can I do for you?
Oh! Okay, Google. We are gonna play a game. Are you down?
Okay, you might like Cars Adventure. Wanna give it a try?
Oh god, no, Google. We have this down. We have this. All right, so let's put
Yeah,
on.
sure.
Yeah, sure.
All right, no problem.
No,
Say,
okay,
talk
Google.
to Cars
Hush.
Adventure.
Hush. Stop it. All right, let's put all the ingredients down. Okay, guys, we're back. So we are going to have Google pick everything for us, including our bow. So we have purple bow and a green bow, teal bow. All right, you want to ask Google to pick 1 through 2?
Okay, Google. Pick a number 1 to 2.
Here's a random number, 2.
Oh, that's your bow. All right, we are going to leave 2 there because now we get to pick which glue. Me and Imani both are hoping for clear glue first. Okay, Google. Pick a number 1 through 2.
Here's a random number, 1.
Yes, I got clear glue. Your turn.
Okay, Google. Pick a number 1 to 2.
1.
Oh, Imani got 1. All right, so we both get to use the clear slime. We got what we wanted that time. All right, so of course, our glue in. You're gonna do a lot or what?
A lot.
Oh God.
A big slime.
Oh my God. She
I'll
is
save some for
going.
you.
Okay, you better, cause I got clear too. Wait. Okay, give me some. Oh, slime
stirring?
master.
Would
Oh,
you
that
have
is
the
gonna
rest of
be
the
a
bottom
huge
one?
slime. All right. So Google picked out our slime, our glue for us first, which is the clear glue. We both got to use the clear
I
glue.
need to get this out.
Now it's gonna pick out the paint. So now Google is going to pick our paint preference. Imani wants the middle ones. I want the middle ones too. So do you want to go first, second, or
Yeah.
second or first? You want to go first?
Okay, Google. Pick a number 1 to 3.
Here's a random number, 1.
Ah, you got the blue and green. All right, my turn to pick my color. Okay, Google. Pick a number 1 to 3.
Here's a random number, 1.
Oh, we both got the same color. All right, so Imani both got to use the blue and the green for our slime.
I want the blue.
We gotta use both. We gotta mix them together. All right, so here, and then we take it out, and I'm gonna pour some into the blue first.
Don't pick all of it because I have.
I know you have to use some too. Oh my goodness. We got twin slime, guys. So I'm gonna use some of the blue.
No, we don't know yet,
Some of
Mommy.
the, yeah, because we don't know who. Somebody might have a little bit more blue. Somebody might have a little bit more green.
I think I'm gonna have more blue.
So you take the top off and just tilt it in there. All right, so I'm gonna start mixing this. Oh, look at that, guys. That is so cool. Look, Mama. Wow. And look when Imani dips hers in there. Go slow. And then you just put the top back on first.
It's dripping.
Oh,
I
it
got
came
paint
out
on
like a, it came out like, what's that stuff called? Like off Nickelodeon?
Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah, the Nickelodeon slime. Look at that, came out so cool. Stir hers up. I wonder if yours is gonna come out like looking oozy like mine.
No,
Mine's
mommy's
like,
gonna look like a
oh,
tie-dye.
that looks so cool.
I got like tie-dye slime.
I like that,
I
Imani.
got tie-dye slime and my bows.
Alright, the next ingredients that we're gonna pick to go in our slime is either gonna be lotion or shaving cream.
I hope we get the
So
shaving
Imani wants shaving cream. I know she does because
I already pulled them out.
she likes hers more fluffy. Alright, so now we're gonna pick
I think
between
it is.
it's mixed good. Alright, we're gonna pick between lotion and shaving cream. Okay, Google. Pick a number, 1 or 2.
1.
Oh, I got lotion. Alright. Your turn.
Okay, Google. Pick our number 1, 2, 3, 2. How do you
2.
Oh, Imani got shaving cream.
the one I wanted?
Alright, don't put too much because it'll get too fluffy, remember?
The cherry on the top. I think if it's too much.
Mine's gonna smell good and yours is gonna be fluffy.
Mom, I can't see my color.
Okay, so the next thing we are going to pour in our glitter. You ready to pick our glitter?
Okay, Google. Pick a number 1, 2, 3.
1.
Oh, you got that one. Is that the one you wanted? Okay, Google. Pick a number 1 to 3.
Here's a random number. 1.
Oh man, I got 1 too.
Oh, I thought you wanted that.
Well, when the slime came out that cool, I was like, oh, I want a purple or a blue. Alright. Oh, Jesus, it's gonna be real sparkly around here.
Oh no, I need more glitter.
You need a lot because you ain't got no color. So Imani lost her color
Because I put too much on it.
because she put, whoa, and that's, oh my goodness, that is gonna be so glittery. Let me see. Oh my God. Maybe you should just put the rest in there and turn yours into a glitter slime. You want all the rest of it in there? Turn it into like a glitter slime? Not too much. Oh, I hope it still turns into slime, guys. We've never put like glitter or
Mom,
beads in our slime. The glitter paint didn't really work that great. Okay, next thing we're gonna pick is one of these cool things. Cool thing about this is you can pick whatever color you want to use, or you can use a little bit of each one. I really want to get these water beads because they just look soft. And Imani said she does not want them ABC letters at all. And then after we put that in, we pre-made some borax, and we're gonna pour the borax in, and we're gonna start turning it into slime. Look, your slime is the same exact color as her bow. Look how cool that is.
Mommy.
What? How did that happen?
You just had to get it sit.
All right, you ready to pick? So we're gonna pick one of our cool beads, like I told you before. Imani, you wanna go first? All right, and then after that, we're gonna try to slime it with this pre-made borax and water. Yeah.
You go first, Mom.
I go first? Please give me number 3. Okay, Google. Give me a number, 1 to 3.
Here's a random number. 2.
Oh, all right, I'll take that. All right, your turn, Imani.
Okay, Google. Give me number 1, 2, 3.
3.
Oh, Imani got them. Finally, you got something you really, really wanted, right? Because you really wanted those. All right, so I got these. All right, so like I said before, we never put stuff inside of our slime. This seems like real big to like just throw in there, but I'm going for it, and then I'm gonna borax it and turn it into slime. You ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness. You think I should pour another one in there, a different color too, Mama? Make it more like crazy? All right, guys, I'm getting really crazy over here. So that was the cool thing about picking that one. You could either put a lot or you could just put a little. Imani got the cool one. Here, hold it over there and take your time, please. Mix it up, mix it up. Oh my gosh, slow down. That looks like a bowl of cereal. Oh my goodness. This is getting real
Can I
creepy.
feel it?
So the next step, which is the main step, which is an important step, is this borax. I hope I mixed it right, and I hope it turns this creation into slime. So let's see. We just remember a little at a time. I just did a little bit, and I'm gonna stir it all up. Oh, I'm for sure gonna get slime. Look at that. Mine's already turning slimy. Yours is turning slime already. Look at that, guys. I don't want to put too much. Oh my god, those little beady things in there is gonna be so cool. And we actually got glitter. Look at that, Imani. See, mine looks ready, but I always think it's ready. And I touch it and then that happens in dirt. So I went with a little bit more borax. When you see all your slime pick up off the bowl like that and almost clean the bowl, that's how you know it's almost ready. But
I'm just almost ready.
I don't know about this.
It looks like the actually covered.
Look.
No, I think I'm ready.
You going for it?
I guess so. I don't have sticky hand after me.
Oh my god, I'm going for it too then.
I'm gonna have slime hands.
I did, I'm gonna. Oh.
I can't get this out.
Alright, I think I need more borax.
Oh my god!
Mama, you know what I think the problem is? I don't know if we put enough borax in the water. Oh wait, there we go. Oh, these little things feel kind of cool in here actually. Why is it doing that? Oh, what did you create?
I don't know.
Your slime's gonna catch on fire, I'm scared. That is not slime.
Yes, it is. It's a
You
ball
made mud. And it's like glue flying in the air. Oh my god. Alright guys, so check out my salon.
Slime. Can I put mine on the table?
Wait. Alright, so this is our slime. Came out real slimy.
See the water.
It pours.
I'm putting the water. I'm putting a lot of too.
Yeah, that's
Mine
cool.
couldn't do that.
Could jump rope with it.
No, we can't.
Well, remember I had a slimier slime and you had a
Harder slime.
like a fluffy slime. Check out Imani's slime. I'm gonna steal some of her beads. Look.
Ah!
No, my slime has the beads in it. Alright guys, we had so much fun today with Google picking all of our ingredients for our slime. Was that fun or what, Imani?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? She's still having fun. She's like playing with borax and water and mixing her slime. I don't even know what your slime is, okay? Just what is happening here?
My slime is called
Silly slime?
Ronnie.
Wrongy slime. Yeah,
It's
it still came out like slime, but by you doing that, it's not helping. But anyways, thanks so much for hanging out with us, guys, watching us make slime with Google. That was so fun. Look forward to more videos of Google picking things for us to do. Was that fun or no, right?
Yeah, this is my spoon now.
Oh God, you're crazy. Make sure you do what, Mama? Like, comment, and subscribe. And check out our Instagram page, guys. Imani's Family Fun World. Hashtag in between each word. Make sure you go there so you can comment, because you notice you cannot comment down below. But we're going to keep saying like, comment, and subscribe because we want you to comment. So go to our Instagram page so you can comment, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us like always. All love, guys. Peace.